Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can change your portrait into a landscape on Canva. You do need Canva Pro for this, so I don't know if I'll be able to show it to you completely. So open up your project here and select it, and as you can see, it's in portrait mode. To change it to landscape, I'll just select resize here and then resize your design into whatever format you need. For instance, I want it to be landscape. You can even customize the size here. So I'm just going to select landscape and then I'll select the change it. Of course, I don't have Canva Pro, so I cannot switch it to landscape. We are just going to select that. If you don't have Canva Pro, you do have to open up a new project and maybe copy and paste it, but I don't think it's going to format your picture into a landscape and instantly. So yeah, that's pretty much two ways how you can resize your portrait into a landscape format in Canva. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.